The Klein Tools Model 62204 MB MODbox cooler is a 17-quart insulated cooler designed to maintain cold temperatures for up to 30 hours. As part of the Klein Tools MODbox mobile workstation modular system, it offers versatility by easily connecting to other MODbox components, allowing users to create a customized workstation. The cooler features a robust construction with a wire latch closure and a comfortable carrying handle. Additionally, it includes a handy storage compartment inside the lid for smaller essentials like medicine, napkins, utensils, and keys. With the capacity to hold up to 24 cans or 12 bottles, this cooler is ideal for various settings from job sites and campsites to tailgating, picnics, and outdoor events. The Wolfcraft Drill Jig Electrics is a multifunctional tool catering to electricians and DIY enthusiasts for efficient installation of electrical installation boxes and inserts in brick walls. Its integrated millimeter scale ensures precise determination of installation distances, while 71 mm markings facilitate easy replication between two installation boxes. The drill jig features drill guide bushes for accurate vertical boreholes at 71 or 91 mm distances. An extendable pin aids in secure template positioning, and illustrated instructions guide users through safe installation processes. Whether working on brick walls or drywall, this tool streamlines the process, offering both speed and accuracy, making it an indispensable asset for electrical projects. The Dashap 14-piece concrete hole saw kit is a versatile and durable set of diamond drill core bits designed for drilling holes in concrete, brick, and stone. The kit includes 7 different sized bits, ranging from 30 mm to 125 mm in diameter, providing options for various applications. Constructed with high-quality carbide, these bits ensure long-lasting performance. The inclusion of both SDS Plus and Max bit shanks enhances compatibility with a variety of hammer drills. Whether you're working on construction projects or home improvements, this kit is a reliable choice for precise and efficient hole drilling in tough materials. The GOINGMAKE Shelf Pin Jig 5mm is a robust and efficient cabinet template tool designed to streamline the process of drilling accurate shelf pin holes. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, its durability is complemented by 7 hardened steel drill guides that ensure precision in creating 5 mm holes. What sets this jig apart is its capability to quickly drill 7 holes, saving time and effort in woodworking projects. With offset options of 37, 50, and 64 mm, it accommodates diverse shelf size requirements, making it a versatile tool in the hands of both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Easy to set up and use, this shelf pin jig provides a reliable solution for those seeking accuracy and efficiency in cabinet construction. The Yescom Drywall stilts 24 inches to 40 inches, adjustable aluminum tool. Stilt with knee pad protection for painting painter taping blue is an excellent tool for professionals like painters and drywallers who require elevated working capabilities. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, these stilts are adjustable within the range of 24 inches to 40, providing versatility in height preferences. The skid-resistant rubber soles and incorporated knee pads ensure both comfort and safety during extended use. With a 225 pounds load capacity and dual action springs for flexibility, these stilts offer stability and support. The 3-position heel bracket adds further customization, accommodating various foot sizes and preventing slippage in all directions. The BORA Portamate PM4000 is a robust folding miter saw stand designed for heavy-duty use, featuring quick-attach tool mounting bars. Constructed from tubular steel with a powder-coated finish, it boasts a high weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. Compatible with miter saws, including compound sliding saws, up to 12 inches, the stand incorporates a 20-inch quick-attach tool mount and a generous 116-inch long material support. Its user-friendly design ensures easy setup, and the stand conveniently folds down for compact transportation. Ideal for both contractors and DIY enthusiasts, this portable and durable miter saw stand offers reliable support for various woodworking projects. The Dastool Expert Surface Grinding Dust Shroud for Angle Grinder is a versatile and efficient tool designed to control dust during grinding tasks on surfaces like concrete, marble, rock, and granite. Compatible with most 4.5 inches and 5 inches angle grinders, its suction hood, secured by the included clamp fitting, ensures a tight attachment. The removable edge piece facilitates flush surface work close to other objects, while the flush grinding door allows effective dust collection near edges. Equipped with a brush ring, the tool prevents dust leakage, enhancing user safety by minimizing exposure to harmful silica dust. The inclusion of a diamond grinding cup wheel tailored for concrete grinding adds to its overall effectiveness. The Klein tool's Plier wrench is a versatile and durable tool designed for various applications. With a 10-inch length, it provides the leverage needed for efficient gripping power. The adjustable and reversible double-sided jaw features both smooth and knurled teeth, ensuring a secure grip on flat-sided fasteners and round objects like pipes. The forged steel construction adds durability to the tool, making it suitable for demanding tasks. The unique and efficient adjustment mechanism enhances its usability. Whether used by plumbers, electricians, or for DIY projects at home, the Klein Tools D53010 Plier wrench stands out as a reliable and multi-use tool. The Faithfull upright clamp serves as a valuable aid for solo work, securely gripping doors, sheet materials, and studs for tasks like interior wood framing. It facilitates various applications where material support is essential, enabling users to mark out, route out, plane, and drill without the challenge of holding the material with a single hand. With a robust grip accommodating materials up to 55 mm in width, it proves particularly effective for tasks involving FD30 and FD60 fire doors. Activating the clamp is easy. Simply push the grip out of its holder and lock it onto the side of the object using either a hand or foot, depending on the application. The clamp's sturdy base is adaptable for use on tabletops and floors, featuring support screw holes for added stability when handling heavy objects. The Faithfull nail puller is a versatile and essential tool for efficiently removing nails from various materials, including lifting floorboards, opening wooden crates, and dismantling wooden structures. Its design incorporates a malleable cast-iron slide handle with a hinged, drop-forged gripping jaw fixed to a box joint, ensuring extra strength for demanding tasks. This specialist tool excels at extracting nail heads recessed below the surface level. To use, position the jaws on either side of the nail head. Slam down the slide handle to drive the jaws into the timber and under the nail head. Then leverage the handle forwards, using the base heel as a leverage point to keep the jaws tight while extracting the nail. The Faithfull Aluminium Wide Track Cutting Guide is a versatile tool that simplifies the process of marking and cutting sheet materials. Suitable for use with jigsaws, routers, circular saws, marking pencils, and knives, this guide offers precision and ease of operation. Its lightweight yet rigid construction ensures effortless handling, while the lever-action jaws with large, soft grip clamping surfaces securely lock onto the workpiece. The extra-wide and thick reinforced aluminium profile enhance durability, and integrated T-slots accept M6 bolt heads for attaching workshop accessories. The heat-treated zinc-plated clamping bar and glass fiber-reinforced nylon jaws contribute to the clamp's long working life, making it ideal for various applications including cutting plywood, MDF, and other sheet materials. The Faithfull Diamond Sharpening Stone Kit offers a convenient and effective solution for sharpening various blades and tools with quick and effortless precision. The double-sided metal stone, measuring 8 mm thick and 70 mm x 200 mm, is electroplated with a monocrystalline diamond in 2 grits, 400G coarse and 1000G fine. The stone can be easily accessed by releasing it from the docking station and flipping it over. Unlike traditional abrasive sharpening stones, this diamond stone maintains a flat surface over time, ensuring consistent straight edges for precision, cutting tools like wood chisels and plane irons. The diamond stone is versatile, sharpening carbon steel, HSS and tungsten carbide tools, as well as abrading glass, ceramic tiles and porcelain. The BoxBlayde is an electric cardboard box cutter equipped with a rapidly vibrating, non-exposed blade capable of cutting through cardboard up to 1 4-inch thick. Powered by dual rechargeable batteries, it offers up to 2 hours of cutting time. Constructed with a combination of rigid plastic, durable rubber for grip, and inner components made of zinc alloy, the BoxBlayde is designed for longevity. It utilizes standard utility knife blades, up to 62 mm in length, ensuring easy replacement with readily available options. With safety in mind, the non-exposed blade minimizes the risk of accidental cuts and injuries. Recommended for adults ages 18 and older, the BoxBlayde is a user-friendly, safe, and effective tool for cutting cardboard boxes. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.